Today, I'm going to show you how to turn any song into an AI-powered music video that is original, authentic, and monetization safe.
From the rising of the sun till the setting of the same, I will testify of your goodness and the power in your name. For the breath in my lungs, for the peace in my mind, a God so faithful, a love so kind, yeah. Oh Lord, above we're all, you have done it again.
This music video and music you're looking at right now took me less than 10 minutes to create without no fancy gear or a fancy studio, and I'm going to walk you through the full process. Let's get into it. The first thing you're going to need, of course, is a song. So if you have a song already, just skip to the next part. You can use the chapters that are going to be in the video. But if you do not, let me show you quickly how to generate music using AI. The first thing you do is to go on ChatGPT or Gemini. My system is right here. And you're going to paste a prompt, which you're going to tell it that it should give you a prompt and lyrics to generate a 1-minute song. Now, here is what is important. Okay, you must put in something that makes you unique. So for me, I said I want the song to be in the Afrobeat style and it should sound like Nathaniel Bassey. And then I pressed the send button. ChatGPT or Gemini is going to give you the prompt and the lyrics to generate these songs using any AI music generator. Now, this is number one pro tip for monetization. When they give you these lyrics, don't just use it like that. Make sure you go back and then you edit it. Now, this is the one that ChatGPT gave me. I went over and I edited some things in it, added this Yoruba line just to make it more authentic. To generate this music, I'm going to be using the application called ChatArt. To follow along, the link is going to be in the description. It opens up like this and you go over to music generation. With music generation selected, you click over here and make sure you use the highest model, which is Art Music 5. The prompts that ChatGPT or Gemini has already given you comes in here. You see the music style, you're going to copy that together with this first part that tells AI how the song is going to progress. You're going to come over here and you paste that under the music description. Now the lyrics, you've already done the lyrics already. You're also going to go over and paste it over on ChatArt. Now, you can select what I want, a male vocalist or a female vocalist, and then you hit generate. Hit the download button until your song is ready. Now to the AI music video generation proper. You're going to go over to this point where it says music AI MV here. Select it and you go over to AI MV. MV is music video, okay? And it opens up like this. On the ChatArt platform, they give you 3 styles, either the narrative, the singing, and the abstract. Pay close attention. The first thing you're going to do is click over here and upload a main character. Now, for your music to be authentic, you should have a main character that is singing the songs, okay? So for me, I'm going to select one of my AI generated characters, but for you, select either yourself, your image, or whoever you want. You can upload an image here of the scene you want this character to be in as it's creating this music video, but you can leave that empty. So we'll go over here and upload this music we just created using ChatArt. Now, you can see that the whole song is over here and it's quite long, over 3 minutes. So I'm just going to select a portion that we'll use for this test. The portion is selected. So now here they say video description. If you don't know what you want to see in your music video, of course you can go on ChatGPT and then you paste this prompt. I will need a prompt for a 1-click music video generation. I will input my image, but give ideas for the video location and the overall vibe. Note, I don't like anything futuristic. That is, if you like futuristic, of course, please do you. Once you do this, ChatGPT is going to give you a prompt of what the scenario for this your music video is going to be like. Now, pro tip, if you want ChatGPT to give you a better prompting of what the environment of the video should be, you can post the lyrics of the video so ChatGPT will know exactly what the video and the vibe of the video is. But because I'm replying ChatGPT from the one I've already done before, it knows what the lyrics are because he gave me the lyrics. And this is the prompt that ChatGPT gave me. As I told you guys, whenever ChatGPT gives you a prompt, never use exactly the same. Always go and adjust it and edit it the way you want. So here I just went and I just added some beautiful things like Nigerian to the mix, reference image, and some other things to make it look like a Nollywood aesthetic film, okay? And we're going to go back to ChatArt. And under the video description, you're going to go over here and paste it, okay? And we're going to go over here, select 1080p for the highest resolution, change it to 16:9 for YouTube, and of course, we are going to press generate. Please note that because this is just a one-click generation, it's not going to be so amazing like that. I want to show you exactly what you can do to take this up to the next level monetization standard.
From the rising of the sun till the setting of the same, I will testify.
So that's it. So we can see that she does look the same in all the different scenarios and everything, but we can see that she's not speaking, she's not talking, but she has been positioned to talk and sing if we want to. So this takes us to the next level. Stay with me here. So after you generated the version that is in the singing style, this is what we are going to do. That's going to bring this state alive. We are going to lip sync this video. We're going to make her talk, her mouth move like she's the one singing this video, and this is very easy. I have a video here of how to lip sync any video, so you can go and click that one to get a more detailed tutorial on how to lip sync anything. But for this particular use case, let me show you how to do it. To lip sync my videos, I do them inside the CapCut application. What I just do is I select the video, make sure that this is the portion of the video that I want to lip sync like this. Okay, I want her mouth to be moving in all this portion of this video. So I'm going to right click over here, and I'm going to export the sound of this particular portion of the video, and I'm going to save it as something maybe 6 or 7. Export. Once the audio is exported, I'm going to click over here, scroll down to where it says lip sync, select the lip sync. Where it says add audio, I'm going to upload this number 7 audio that I just created of this down part. Okay, that's what it sounds like. And then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to hit generate. This is going to lip sync that portion of the video of that song to whatever that portion of the song is saying.
And the hope for tomorrow, I give you the praise, all over.
There must be some form of editing on your AI generated content for that content to be considered that you've added value to it and it's monetization safe. Now, if you would like to get all the prompts that I used, even the ones I put on ChatGPT and the ones that ChatGPT provided for me in this AI music video, just type, what should we type? Just type music video in the comments and I'll send it to you, okay? This platform I'm using today, there's ChatArt. I use it because it gives you premium quality generations, which are very important when you want to monetize AI content. Now, the payment plans start from as little as 64 cents per day, and so you can try it out. And when you subscribe on this platform, they do give you free bonus diamonds that you can use to generate as much as you want AI music videos. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.